You know what the one stock platform that pays zero fees is that nobody's talked about? Right, stay tuned. We're going to talk about it today. Right. Morning, afternoon, evening. Passive Income Tom bringing another passive income video today. This one's a little bit not really a passive income video, but what I trade with, what my platform is I trade with, and I pay zero fees on it. And nobody's really talked about it on YouTube. Nobody. All the financial bloggers, creators out there, no one's really mentioned it. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not aware of it, but that's why I'm bringing it to you so you can really listen to it and find out what it is. So everything started out with Robinhood. As you see here, Robinhood was the granddaddy, only been around a few years, but they started with the zero fee commission fees, a few years ago. And then other companies started following in no particular order. WeBull came out offering their zero fees. M1 Finance followed right behind them. Everybody knew what these three platforms were. But then this year, everything changed in the financial market space because this is where a lot of millennials, a lot of other people were going to do their trades, because these were free, offering zero commissions to make your trades, and the older companies were getting scared because they wanted to fight back. They wanted to get in the game. They wanted to tap this market space. And these are some others that came out recently. Charles Schwab, Fidelity, ETrade, TD Ameritrade, these all well-known companies, been around for a while, and they've been trying to, get that market space. They're trying to get you to come join them. Who wouldn't? Zero fees. Who would want to pass it up? But I did not join. I did actually work. I had an ETrade account before I joined this other company I'm going to talk about right now. The company I'm currently associated with, that I work with, I do have Robinhood, but I also work with this company right here, Merrill Edge. All right, Merrill Edge. I pay zero fees. I'm going to talk to you how I pay zero fees and how I got into this. So, let me talk to you about it really quick. All right, let me take you behind the closed doors, but this is the back screen for Merrill. The page for Merrill Edge right here. But to get into Merrill Edge, you've got to talk to a broker to get into this account. I'm not sure if you can do it online, sign up, but it's all connected through Bank of America. So I think you've got to go into the bank, talk to one of the advisors there and have them set up an account for you. I'm not sure if you can do it online for yourself. I went and talked to my broker, and he set me up the account when I went in to see him and tell me what to do, what I need to do, and how to set it up. Because he did all the initial information in the beginning, and I had to come home, set up my account, talk to somebody, and I got everything set up. So Merrill's been around a long time, offering a lot of different products in their system. You can work with them for free, or you can pay pay a commission to the broker. You pay him a one-time fee, and he'll share you with advice. I don't pay any fee to Merrill Edge or to Bank of America, but I'm just a customer. I've been investing for over 25 years, and so I think I have a good idea what I want to do. But every once in a while, I do get some advice from him, some basic general advice. Nothing, not stock worthy, but something just very generic information. And so I made some decisions when I started doing that. So he told me initially when I went to go see him, he said have some cash on the side because when things go on sale, that's when you want to buy stuff. Because when the stock market goes on sale, if you don't have any extra cash to pull away from, and you're kind of left sitting there, wishing you had extra money, wishing you could find something, And so if you check out my other video, if you want to start, selling some stuff, I sold some sneakers a couple months ago, and it's another way to earn some money. So you've got to think outside the box. How can you make some extra money and not really spend a whole lot of your time not getting another job per se? But, what are some other ways you can do to make some money? If you have some ideas, drop them below. But let me just hop on to the next one. So I got into Merrill Edge because I pay, like I said, I pay zero fees, zero commissions when I do that. But to do that, you have to have 6 figures in your account. It could be a combination from your bank account and your stock account, and that'll get you in there, not having to allow you to pay for any fees so you can make trades with the Merrill Edge. So I have over 6 figures, and I said, I could not pass this up because Merrill Edge is a well-known company. Everybody knows who it is, really established company. And that's why I decided to go move my money from ETrade over to Merrill Edge. But let me walk you inside my portfolio really quickly and show you what's behind the back doors of Merrill Edge so you get an idea. You open it up, you get an idea what's in your cash account, what you have in your investment account. It actually tells you right here what you have available to invest, how you've been performing. So relatively, I've been holding steady for the most part for this year. I haven't actually put any extra money into my account because I've been putting extra money into cryptocurrency, which I talked about in an earlier video earlier this year. So you can check out that video right there because I think the stock market it's going to crash. It's going to take a nice correction, and then maybe then I'll put some more money into this. But for now, I'm just holding on to my cash account so I can buy things that are on sale. I mean, who wouldn't like to buy things on sale? I like to buy things on sale. I hate to say it, but I mean, call me a minimalist, frugal, whatever you want to call it. But you can also check out Kevin's video where you talked about that a little bit here. I wouldn't really call myself that, but I consider myself a pretty frugal person for the most part. I've always have been. Don't like to buy things unless I really need them. So things you need in life and things that you want in life. You've got to be able to differentiate between what you want in life. Do you need something or do you want something? But let me stop rambling. So when you look under the account section here, it'll show you what your summary, what's in your portfolio. Portfolio story talks about, it'll give you a breakdown of the stock you're invested in, balance in your account, the activity you've done, historical account performance, any alerts you set up for the price of your investment. It talks about your holdings, what your current account holdings are, any unrealized gain or loss you may have, any realized gain or loss income, estimated investment income, your dividend reinvestment, and your portfolio analysis and allocation. Some others here on the side, you need your tax documents and so on. But the one I really like to use is the estimated investment income. How much am I making for dividends? So I'll click on that. So here it gives you a quick snapshot on what you're going to make for dividends for the year. For dividends for the year, I sold a stock about a month ago. So for this upcoming year, I'm going to make $9,646.99. It was at 10,000 at one point, but because I sold that stock, I dropped me below by about $350. Rough estimate. But I am looking to buy a couple more stocks. I'll show that in a future video, but there's a couple on my watch list now. I'm looking at buying, with the cash I have available, or I may just decide to pull the plug and just go and buy because you don't know what's going to happen in the stock market. It could go up. The price of the stock has been going up. The one I'm really looking at has been going up over the last few months, and I don't really want it to go any higher. So I may just give in and just buy a couple shares right now, and then if it dips lower, then I'll have more room to buy more stocks in the future. But hey, I just wanted to just show you really quickly this other stock platform that's out there that nobody really talks about. And if you have any questions, comment below. If you haven't already liked this video, click the bell for notifications. And so I'll bring back again next Friday with another passive income video. And hey, any questions, comment below. Make sure to like this video, like I said once again. But overall, have a great day. Enjoy your week.